Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A young lady I met at a trade show 4 or 5 years ago posted this on Facebook, and it's a really good question because when you're cutting this out, it's going to cut out all the sides, and it's going to waste time. It's going to waste laser time, and it's also going to score this line more. So let's just delete those. They were actually 2 inches or 2.3 inches square with a rounded corner. Well, Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts has a tag cut, and we'll make this. Well, I did that right on the money. 2.3, and go and I'll send you tag cuts for the one I'm doing this for, and you open it up. It comes up this one, so it's already got the size. We're going to round off the corner. I don't know what her corners were, but 1.25. And we're going to go, I think she had 5 across and 0 rows, and just say create. Oh, 1 row, I guess. And there it is. And then you just hit exit. And what this has done, you have to actually go and group it apart to see it working. But this is individual lines that are only going to cut once. See, like the top line is going to cut in that pattern with those dips, and then it's going to cut. Now, if there's something wrong with tag cuts, is putting your product into the center of the tag. Because if we take one of hers, just a normal square, 2.3, and let's round the corners with this block, 0.125. And if you have a circle and you want to put it in the center, you would just click on it, shift the box and go EC, and it'll put the circle in there. Well, with the tag cuts, there's really no center. So what you have to do with tag cuts is, and it's not that big a deal unless you had to do thousands of them. And for the one I'm doing it for, set your duplicate distance on 0, 0. You'll be a lot happier. And I'm going to make my nudge factor like 2.5. And I'm just going to take my Smart Fill tool. So if you only had to do a few of these, you would do this. And then take this and left click, right click. Those are individually boxes. So you take your item and shift select that and go EC. Or if it's a text, you would take that, shift select that box and go EC. Now, these aren't boxes like the tag cuts. So what you have to do then is take your item that you're putting in your tag and just nudge them up. Now, with that said, and I don't think I've ever talked about this, if your tags don't have, and there is a way, but if your tags don't have rounded corners like that, you could draw straight lines and nudge them 2.3. Let's make it red to make it a hairline. Control D and make a duplicate. And then draw another line from there to there. Make it connected to that Corel. That's the only thing I don't get sometimes with Corel. It's going to connect that line. So let me just back up here before I drew that line. And also these lines aren't even, so I'm going to hit T to put them all even. And this is 9.2 inches long, so I'm going to draw a line 9.2 inches, and then I'll just set it on top. And then I'll Control D and move it down. So now you have 16 squares that the line's only going to cut out one time. Now, there is a way probably around these corners, but tag cuts would be your best bet for that. And once again, these aren't centerable items, so you'd have to manually put them in there, and you would do the same thing with your smart fill tool. Just smart fill that. The good thing on, you'd only have to do it really like one time, and we're gonna, if they're all the same, and let's say your item is a 6-sided star, and you take this, shift select that, and go EC. And if your items are all the same, then all you have to do is this. Get rid of that, get rid of that, cut through here where you don't touch all the lines, that's if they're all the same. This is actually probably faster than tag cuts. Well, no, it's not, because you could actually change the order that you had them cut. But this way, it's only cutting one time. And for the one I'm doing it for, or anybody, I'll send you this tag cuts. And if you need help loading it into your macro, just holler. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.